Welcome to MalFramework tutorial number 36. And today we're going to, or in this video, we're going to cover the hostage. This module adds support for hostage rescue task missions. It can also be used where the objective is to capture an HVT alive. The mission maker can define hostage units, and the framework will monitor the status of those units. An extraction area and a threshold can be set so that the given amount of hostages have to be in the extraction zone in order to complete the task. The module can also trigger complete or mission fail. So its usage: you set up a hostage task, you place down hostage units, you place an area marker that marks the extraction zone and give it a unique name. And in the each hostage, you'll put this code. So T1 would be the ID of the task, which is down here, and false would be make the unit handcuffed, true or false. And then when you create the task, this goes in the init field of the task, this code right here. So T1 would be the task ID, the marker for the area for the extraction zone. We'll just call it marker extraction. You can name it whatever you want. You can name the task whatever you want. It doesn't have to be T1. But number of hostages killed to fail the task, 3. Number of rescued hostages to complete the task, 2. And should the mission end if the task is successful, true. Should the mission end if the task has failed? So I think that would be, I think you just leave that on true. So anyways, here's what it looks like. Here is the task module. I named it task 1, or when you looked at his instructions, T1. In the init, put task 1. The marker is marker extraction. And I put, if 1 hostage is killed, the mission failed. If 2 are taken to the extraction zone, mission success. And true, it should end the mission, whether it's a success or fail. The owner of the task is blue 4. Here's the task ID, task 1. And here's the title, rescue hostages, rescue 2 of the 10 hostages to complete the mission. The state is created. I just put that marker as a task type and show notification. Here is the extraction zone. I called it mark extraction. And here are the hostages. In here, they're monitored by task 1. And let's see what it looks like. Oop. Sorry, it doesn't matter. And this is the blue 4 player. Nothing special about him. Of note, if you're not using Malvern's latest framework, you'll receive an error in the debug about the marker extraction not being a name or something. Well, that prevents the mission or the module from operating correctly, so you need to use the latest version of his framework. This mission file, I couldn't use the previous one I was using, so because I was using an older framework, so I just made this mission real quick. All right, so remember, if we have 1 hostage that's killed, the mission fails. Mission fail. Or sorry, task fail. So you're supposed to rescue 52 of the 10 hostages. Meant to say 2. Anyways, now we'll go back, restart the mission, and we'll do the success. Moving into the extraction zone, somewhere in here. Remember, it needed to be 2 hostages. Yay! Alright, that's it for the hostage module. If you have any questions, let me know.